and we are the two little chefs.
Can anybody guess what we're making today?
I think it's smoothies.
That's our ingredients.
We have 1 cucumber, 1 apple, 1 pineapple, and 2 carrots.
Yeah, let's taste some ingredients.
Great idea. That pineapple tastes a little bit tangy.
This cucumber tastes like crust.
Let's get cooking.
Goodbye, cucumbers. Goodbye, apples. Goodbye, pineapples. Goodbye, carrots.
It looks like rainbow.
Yeah.
Now it's time for the water. We have to be very careful so it doesn't make any mess. See?
Go install time.
Ready to start.
3, 2, 1, blow!
Let's go. How do you think that looks like? Our smoothies are ready for tasting.
Yummy! Now let's taste.
That looks delicious.
Taste. Da 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 da.
I can taste some pineapple in this.
I can taste some cucumbers in this.
What should we name it, Adam?
I know. Friendship cooking show.
But I think sunshine in the glass.